my foodies! Happy the Lantern Festival! And during Yuan Xiao Jie, one of the things that you must eat is of course Yuan Xiao. In a pan, roast a quarter of a cup of peanut over low heat until they are lightly colored and for about 5 minutes. Now take them out and put aside. In the same pan, roast 3/4 of a cup of black sesame over low heat until the aroma comes out for about 3 minutes. Take them out and put aside. Now add the peanut in a food processor or blender and grind until they are coarsely ground. Then also add the sesame, half of a cup of sugar, and grind until they become powder. Add 3/4 of a stick of melted butter in the mixture and mix until combined. So in order for the filling to be runny, we must add enough butter. Traditionally, people use lard for this recipe. Since it's really hard to find nowadays, I replaced it with butter. Now take everything out, transfer it to the fridge, and cool it down for about 30 minutes until it becomes firmer. Take half of a teaspoon of the filling and use your hands to form a small ball like this, about 1/2 inches in diameter. So do the same with the rest of the filling. Now in a flat tray, or in my case it's a frying pan, we're gonna add about 1 pound of glutinous rice flour. Then transfer a few sesame balls in here. Then shake the tray so that the balls roll around on the tray and pick up a layer of the flour. Let's dip the ball in a bowl of water for about 2 seconds. Then we're gonna put it back in the glutinous rice tray and shake. We're gonna do this for about 10 times, shake the flour and also dip it in water. So in between, if the ball cracked, simply just brush a little water on it and it will seal the ball and it will do the magic. It will be perfect. Boil a pot of filtered water. Add about 8 sweet rice balls and cook in high heat. We're gonna use the back of a ladle to stir. Cover the lid and cook the filling. So when the water starts to boil, we're going to turn it to medium heat. Now when they float to the top, we're going to add a cup of cold water in it. By doing this, it will prevent the skin from breaking apart. When the water is boiling again, and cook until they become bigger for about 2 minutes. Our Yuan Xiao turns out to be enchantingly delicious. I mean, come on, as you bite into it, the filling slowly runs out. The flavor of sesame, which is so intense but not too much. The skin has this cute texture to it. They're like stretchy, chewy, but yet super soft and fluffy. So I hope that you enjoy making Yuan Xiao as much as we did. A lot of you have been asking me, CiCi, where have you been? CiCi, what are you up to? When are you coming back? So here I am, I'm back. And during my absence, I was actually on my maternity leave for my second baby. Yes! My baby is just born and she is so cute, so fluffy now. She's kind of chubby. Yes, being a mother is very tiring, I know. You have to put the baby first before you all the time, before your work even. But there's so much joy to it. You're always happy whenever you see the baby smile. It melts your whole world, it melts your heart. So comment below and let me know, how are you? How are you doing? And again, happy Yuan Xiao Jie. Subscribe, thumbs up. What? 手手给妈咪。好。
转成圆的，转它，转，直接转。
我们要成球。要成。 成球，宝贝，变成球。
球。
球。